Oh shit. Oh. So let's see here. All right, neck, shoulders, lower back, and hips.
The hips, I wouldn't say it hurts, it just cracks.
Okay.
Like when I go like on the opening.
Yep.
Cracks here definitely. I don't know. Maybe it is not an issue. So yeah. On the back, neck definitely, lower back definitely, and the upper back is like on the left side, like here, mostly.
Okay.
It's like not constant. I don't know how it depends, but yeah.
Any trauma, accident?
I broke the collarbone once, but it was when I was like 10 years old maybe.
Okay.
Something like that. And one more time when I was born, they broke the same bone.
Okay.
I have some scoliosis, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
He also sleeps on his face. I don't know how he does,
like
does it. So he's always like this.
Oh, yep, turn to the one side.
Probably is not that good either.
Oh, man. All right, so you haven't been adjusted in a long time either.
No, my parents took me once when I was like a teenager maybe.
Okay.
They were adjusting themselves and just cracked me a little bit.
Okay, and that's all you've ever had?
That's pretty much.
Okay. Today is definitely going to be different.
Oh, yeah?
Any like pain, discomfort with movements, anything you've noticed, or like lower back with movements?
Lower back, definitely sometimes after sleep or after work.
Okay.
It's like when I sit, it hurts. After I walk for like a few hours,
yeah.
I sit, I can feel it, lower back.
Okay.
And when I bend over sometimes. I mean, I can touch my toes, it's fine, but sometimes I need a little bit more time to warm it up first. And then, yeah.
Okay.
And that back, it cracks a lot when I'm doing the pull-ups. This one definitely all cracks, usually.
Over that left spot?
No, it cracks like in the middle. The left spot, it getting a little relief, but it doesn't go away completely, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that'll crack like right in through here, kind of like that upper back. Yeah. Okay. Let me have you go face down on the table.
Wait. Choose one?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Am I allowed to record?
Of course. All right, right leg is a little bit shorter than the left.
All right.
Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. A little bit of rotation right in here. No pain with that though, right?
No.
Okay, yeah, a little bit of rotation down here. That left side is raised up just a little bit compared to the right. Okay. On that, yeah, I figured you would.
Yeah.
We're gonna start right up top here.
Oh shit.
Oh, there we go. And just a couple little ones in there. I'll get them. Let me have you sit up on the table. Bring one leg on each side. Perfect.
The neck was a big one.
Bring your other arm up here. Yep. Whew. Good. There we go. Yeah, you can relax. Heck yeah. Go face down again for me. Okay, still a little bit short there on that right side. Flip onto your back. There we go.
What's that all about?
Why stepdad?
Oh yeah.
Any special breathing?
Nope.
All right.
No, you are good. Yes. Oh. Rest. Catch your breath.
That was good.
What did you feel?
Pain, crack relief. Like at the same time.
And rest.
Yeah. That's good, definitely.
Felt it all the way up there?
Yeah.
Good. How do you feel?
Feel good.
Good.
But this one, he used to be on the way I'm breathing.
Really?
He wouldn't let me like go breathe the deep. If I go, it's not like always, but there was like few days definitely when I couldn't like take a whole breath.
How about now?
Fine.
Heck yeah.
That's good.
This is how you need to be feeling.
Yeah.
You are.